Method 1. Restore WhatsApp data from Google Drive backup. If you have ever backed up your WhatsApp on Google Drive in advance, you can follow the steps below to restore the WhatsApp chat history from the backup file on Google Drive. Step 1. First of all, uninstall WhatsApp app on your Android device and reinstall it from Google Play Store. Step 2. During the app installation, you will be asked to verify your phone number. Follow the on-screen instruction to type in your phone number, which associate with your WhatsApp account. Step 3. After above operations, WhatsApp will search for backups on Google Drive or your phone memory automatically. Step 4. Just tap on the Restore button to confirm the restoring process, and then all the WhatsApp backup will be restored from Google Drive to your Android device. Method 2. Retrieve deleted WhatsApp messages from Android via Undeleter app. Step 1. Go to Google Play Store and search Undeleter Restore Files and Data. Download and install the app on your Android phone. Step 2. Launch the Undeleter app on your Android phone and fill the screen by refreshing the list. After filling the screen, select the folder that contains the WhatsApp files. Step 3. After selecting the organizer, click on Check Device and the screen displays the outline of the latest deleted record. When you find the deleted WhatsApp messages that need to be restored, select them and click the Save button.